Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel. Now in this video, I'm taking you on a quick tour inside our studio apartment here in Long Beach, California. This is actually our first apartment here, and we actually moved to the second apartment already, but before we completely say goodbye to this apartment, let me give you a tour inside. So let's do that. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary, and here I share things to do in a city on a budget. All right, let's go inside the apartment. So for you to enter the unit, all you have to do is use this fob and tap it on the doorknob, and that's it. Voila! Come inside. As soon as you enter the apartment, on the right side is where you're going to see the washer and the dryer. And then on the left side is where the bathroom is. Well, I think the bathroom, for me, the bathroom is big. I mean, you can practically do sit-ups and cardio inside. I love the finishes. I mean, it has contrasting textures. It's simple. It has uncluttered countertop, and you got plenty of cabinets and storage, like over here, where you can put towels. There's also over here, and then you got drawers as well to put whatever you want. And behind this mirror, you can also put stuff. And let's check out the shower. I love the tiles. It looks really simple, it looks clean. So I definitely like the overall design of the bathroom. And then as soon as you enter the apartment, you'll see the kitchen. So the kitchen has a minimalist features. I love the kitchen tiles. It blends with everything. I mean, it complements the entire look of the kitchen from color and texture. It's also simple. It looks clean. It doesn't have open shelving, which is my kind of kitchen. I love the lighting as well. It has high quality materials, from the cabinets, countertop, to the overall design. And this is the dining area. You know, you have 2 chairs and a table, and that's it. That's all, pretty much what we need. Next, let me take you to the living room, which is the biggest room here in the apartment. It looks nice and cozy. It's a great space to entertain guests. You can relax, read, watch a movie. Perfect lounge area. And definitely bigger than our Philly apartment. There's also a balcony which has a nice view. They also provided chairs outside so you can relax and people watch and see what's going on outside. And then the windows. I love the windows because it brightens up the entire room. And they also provided this desk with an office chair. So definitely a great place for me to work. Tapos yung binigay nila na coffee table, it's huge. Check it out. All right, from the living room and the kitchen, let's go to the bedroom. It is actually smaller than expected because it's open. You know, it created a bigger look, or it appears bigger. The mattress is nice and firm, very comfy. I feel well rested whenever I wake up in the morning. And I don't like soft mattresses. I don't know, for some reason, soft mattresses give me back pain. They have side tables here, metal end tables. I love the yellow lights that they have here. It creates a warmer look and it's very homey. There's also a closet and a dresser inside. I love that they put this throw blanket on the edge of the bed because it added style to the entire look. Diba? Maganda siya. So definitely I'm gonna copy this. And they also provided this mirror. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. Like and share this video as well. And if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post a new content. Let's connect on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com. Remember, continue to spread positivity, and I'll see you next time. And we made it!
Welcome to Solvang!